Hi everybody, Lance the option teacher here. I want to go over the SPY ATM trade and a few of the SRX trades that I used today using the indicator. First, the SPY ATM trade. ATM was a very quick winner. See at the 9:30 central candle, I bought a 679 call. Actually bought 7 of them, 1.39. So a big up move. That's what we want for calls. I sold 6 of them at 1.63, which was the target profit. And then we had a runner stop at 1.7. Use the SRX as a guide to keep one extra contract as a runner and made an extra $7 off that extra contract. So overall, a good trade, pretty straightforward. This is the actual alert, and it comes in at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. It says call or put, bought that 679 call. Entry price 1.35, got very close to that. And then take profit at 1.63. Very straightforward trade. Made a pretty easy profit and just mark it into the order. And then I OCO out -1 contract because I kept the last one as a runner. Here's the order confirmation. 32 seconds after the alert, I entered 7 contracts at 1.35. And then I closed 6 of them at 1.63. And I stopped out a few minutes later at 1.7. Now here are 2 different SRX trades. I took the diamond trades today. See there's a blue diamond here. That means it's a break and a retest off the previous day high level. Typically I won't do these as frequently as if it hit an actual support or resistance level from SRX, but took it anyway. I bought 3 contracts at 680 calls at 1.27. Closed 2 of them at 1.36. It's around here. And then I left a runner in case it might keep moving up. There was a pretty big gap up to the next level. Fortunately, the runner closed at break even 1.27. But that's still perfectly fine because it was a profitable trade. Here's my order confirmation. 3 contracts, 1.27. Closed 2 of them 1.36. And the last one, I put a stop at 1.27. I got filled at 1.26. Not the end of the world. But relatively straightforward trade. Only took about a minute and 20 seconds to get the profit. And then this runner was pretty much at break even. If the runner was going higher and higher in the premium cost, I would have either manually moved up my stop order to lock in some profit, or I might do a trailing stop if I couldn't watch the market during the day. Here's another trade I took. Purplish diamond play. This is a break and retest off previous day high. Purple means you go short or puts. I bought 3 puts at 681 at 12:42 central for 0.88. Closed 2 of them at 0.99. Right here, you see how the market dropped right after. And then I had a runner as well. Unfortunately, the runner stopped, but I locked in a little bit of profit there at the 0.96. Here's my order confirmation. 12:40 central, 0.88, 3 contracts. Sold 2 at 0.99. Sold another one at 0.96. Pretty straightforward. Once I see that alert come up on TradingView, it'll just notify me that the diamond came up, and then I just enter in, and then I'll manage it like so. Here are all my results from December to today. And you can see the profits per trade and the percent gain or loss per trade. I did 42 trades, and there were 39 winners. That's a 93% win rate, which is really high. I don't necessarily expect that to be this high forever, but the way that I'm managing these, if I get about a 66 or so % win rate, it should at least break even. And that's assuming that none of the runners work. When the runners do work, it could be an even lower win rate percentage. Total profit and loss is $781, and I'm typically buying only 3 contracts. Might be about $400 or $500 total funds that you need. And the average percent, this includes the losers, was 9.8% per trade out of the 42 trades in December. So overall, doing really well with the system. We also did a poll with members that are using SRX, and so far, 22 votes and 100% of them love it. No one said that they hated the system. So if you're interested in a lot of scalping and swing trade opportunities on SPY and a strong community of members going over setups, going over different conditions, we are doing a lot of stuff with SRX in the background as well, looking at different EMAs, different managing take profit, stop loss. You could also see my trading strategy on exactly how I'm going to take these trades and my position sizing and whatnot. You want to join in a link in the description down below. It's really affordable, only $49 a month. So try it out for a month. You could ask for help from me, from Phil, and from quite a few other members that are just helping each other out to make consistent money. So again, I'm Lance, the option trader. Hopefully this was helpful. Click like, subscribe if this video is useful for you. Have a good rest of the weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video.